Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to Cam Fun Cooking. Hope you're enjoying the sun if you're in London, and I'm sure other parts of the world. It's bright and beautiful. Okay, today I just want to prepare a sauce for yam. It's garden egg and aubergine. So this is like purple. It's garden egg, but it's aubergine. Okay, it's purple. And that's the white garden egg. So I've got some tomatoes with it. I'm also going to add some ginger, garlic, turmeric. We'll use some crayfish, olive oil, and the scotch bonnet, spring onion, coriander, and some chicken. It's actually the chicken wing, but the meatier part of the chicken wing, okay? I'm not going to season it because I'll season it as I cook it. So we're going to use it to eat yam. I can't believe that this yam is £8 something. One yam, because it's a new yam. It's £8.40. I paid for that. There's the old yam. This one is the old yam. So this is about £3 something. It's tastier because it's packed, because it's old yam, so it's packed with all the sugar and starch. So I'm sure my husband will prefer this one than the new yam. Sorry. That's what I'm going to cook. And I learned that if you cook yam with the skin on, so what happens, all the carbohydrate in the yam, well, gets stored in the skin. So you're eating yam with less carbohydrate in it. So you all go in the skin. And remember, you're going to peel the skin off. So, dears, all right, put I on the cooker. I'm going to, the tomatoes, the pepper, what do you call it? The garden egg and the aubergine. I'm going to pound. I might not pound the tomatoes. I'll just crush the tomatoes in the pan. But the rest, I'm going to use the African style mortar and pestle to mash them up. Okay, that's it. Okay, mashed up the garden egg and aubergine in the mortar. Okay, so the oil on the fire, oil, and then the tomato, I just mashed it up. Remember, I boiled the tomato and the aubergine and the garden egg. I boiled them for about 15 minutes. So you can easily mash up the tomatoes. So let's cook. Let's cook. Oh guys, I'm looking for my, okay, found it. So I'm just going to put the garlic, ginger, turmeric. Okay. Aroma, the beef aroma. This is what you call aroma. My God. Oh. Okay. I'm just going to put the tomatoes. I removed some of the skin so that it will be easy to mash up. My husband is coming back tomorrow, so this is my delicacy for him. He likes yam, so that's it. Because the tomato has been boiled already, I'm just going to go along to put in the chicken straight away. Okay. So it's the upper part of chicken wing. Lovely jubbly. If you can perceive the aroma in this kitchen. Hey. So the scotch bonnet, the hot pepper, So the stock cube. Oh, okay. The stock cube. I'm going to add some lovely curry. I have to be careful because this curry is hot, so that's it. And some sea salt. Coa sea salt. Hold on. So this is going to season this chicken. That's why I didn't season the chicken. Alright, so I'm going to let it cook. I'll let it like sort of fry for like 5 minutes, then I cover it. Okay. The chicken has at least sucked in some of the juices from the tomato, the garlic, the ginger, the turmeric, the stock cube. Okay, I'm just going to cover it again. Let's cover it for like another 5 minutes. Okay, and then we're going to add, we'll add the garden egg and the aubergine, then the crayfish, and then finally the cilantro and the spring onions, and then it's ready. Okay, you see that? All right, beautiful. I'm now going to put in the aubergine and the garden egg. So aubergine is packed, it's beautiful with more nice antioxidants. So the garden egg as well with iron. Okay, so I'll just pour this in. It's rich in other minerals as well. It's so nice. It'll be so nice with the yam. So the yam is already, if you remember I said I cook the yam with the skin on, but make sure you wash the skin very well with sponge, okay? So it tends to absorb most of the carbohydrate into the skin. Alright guys. Alright, I'm just going to put some crayfish. Another wonder. Beautiful. Okay. So that's a rinse out from the ginger and garlic and turmeric. Just going to pour it in. Okay. Excuse me. So I know Ghanaians cook this a lot. They cook it a lot. They eat plantain or ripe plantain with it. Okay, it smells, the aroma is just, oh, so nice. So let's just taste. Crayfish, eh? So I'm just going to let it cook for another like 10 minutes. And then we'll add the spring onion and the cilantro, which is the coriander. Okay, there we go. Lovely jubbly. So, coriander and spring onions. Coriander is quite powerful. It's rich in antioxidants. It's rich in iron. It's a powerful herb. Okay. Spring onion will give it some flavor. Smells nice, guys. So this is ready. See that? Ooh. Oh yeah. Look at that. So the yam is cooking. The yam is cooking. It's a very healthy sauce. Very, very healthy sauce. Let's wait for serving. When the yam is done, we're going to serve.